Good morning, students of class 9. We are doing history now. Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. And today's date is 10th of June 2021. So we have reached 3.2, the Revolution of October 1917. So there were two revolutions. One is February Revolution. We have already learnt about it. And after February Revolution, what happened, that also we have learned. Now we'll talk about the Revolution of October 1917. What happened at during this period? So there are altogether 7 points I've written over here. Listen carefully and try to follow. Number 1, as the conflict between the provisional government, the provisional government was ruling the Russia after this at that moment. So the king monarch was only the constitutional head. So now, as the conflict between the provisional government and the Bolshevik grew, there was a conflict between them. They had misunderstanding. Bolshevik leader Lenin feared that the provisional government would set up a dictatorship. So Lenin, the leader of the Bolshevik Soviets, so he feared that the provisional government will set up a dictatorship. So before that, in September, what happened? Bolshevik supporters in the army who have left the army and joined the Soviets. Bolshevik supporters in the army, Soviets and factory workers were brought together for the uprising. Now they were getting ready for the uprising or the revolt or struggle. Third, on 16th of October 1917, Lenin persuaded means to make them understand. Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet, this is Petrograd, this is T, Petrograd Soviet and Bolsheviks to agree to a socialist seizure means capture of power. So Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviets, workers, peasants, traders as well as Bolsheviks to get ready for the seizure of power, to get ready for the capturing of the power from the provisional government. Number 4, a military. So here is a military committee was appointed under Leon Trotsky. So military commander was appointed, a committee, not commander. A military committee was appointed by Lenin under Leon Trotsky to organize the seizure of power from provisional government. Lenin organized a military committee. So the date was kept secret. The date was kept as a secret, so it is not exposed. So that was a secret. Number 5, the uprising began on 24th of October. The uprising means the revolt or process of taking power from the provisional government began on 24th of October. Sensing trouble, so the provisional government, they sensed trouble, something is going to happen. The Prime Minister Kerensky, the Prime Minister of provisional government, Kerensky, left the city to call the troops. So the Prime Minister left the city to call the troops so that the Winter Palace or the provisional government could be protected. Number 6, by morning, the military loyal to the government, loyal means who is sincere to the provisional government, seized the buildings of 2 Bolshevik newspapers. So what happened in the morning, early in the morning at dawn, the military who is faithful to provisional government, they seized the building. Whose building? The Bolshevik newspaper building, that office. 2 buildings were surrounded and they captured by the provisional government's military. So now number 7, they were asked to protect. So they means these military loyal to provisional government were asked to protect the Winter Palace. They were asked to protect the Winter Palace as well as take over telegraph and telephone offices. So they were given the order. And let's see what happened. The military committee of the Bolsheviks or Lenin's, what they will do, what their reactions will be. So that we'll have to do in the next class. Next, response of the military committee. So what will be the response of the military committee, we'll have to do in our next class. So now here, this is the starting. Now since fearing the attack by the military committee, Lenin's military committee or the Soviets, the provisional government prepared themselves for the attack. So they wanted to save the power. So that's all. Now in our next class we will talk about the response of the military committee, the Soviets or the Bolsheviks. Let's talk about in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.